Hi everyone, this is the first part. This is summer kitchen area at the front entrance. I already did the back area and said part 2, but this is part 1. I just didn't do it. I have to clean this up, but the first step is to cry. What a mess. So let me clean it up and I'll be back. Alright everyone, I went a little further. This side that I was going to do looks great. I even did the stone pathway. I still have to put some more dirt. And then I thought that's ridiculous. It looks crazy over here. So I went around. I have to finish. But I want to put a bunch of night petunias in here. So this is the whole thing. What a difference before and after. So, and then tell me if you like the night petunias here. I think they're gorgeous. Alright, this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll show the before and after pictures.